Is Fiverr still a goldmine for freelancers in 2026, or has AI taken over the game? Today, we're looking at the real numbers and the new strategies you need to win. Can you actually make money on the platform today? Let's dive into the state of Fiverr in 2026. By 2026, Fiverr has evolved from a simple gig marketplace into a high-tech business ecosystem, powered by AI matchmaking and long-term subscriptions. The new AI assistant, Neo, is now the primary interface. Buyers don't just search anymore, they brief the AI to find their perfect match. So, what should you sell? In 2026, the biggest opportunities aren't in generic tasks, but in services that humanize AI content. First, AI content editing. Brands pay a premium for experts who can fact-check AI drafts and add that essential human touch. Second, short-form video editing. The demand for high-retention content for Reels and YouTube Shorts is at an all-time high. And third, UGC ads. Companies need real people to build trust, and your personality is your greatest asset here. Getting that first order is the hardest part. The secret in 2026 is optimizing your profile for the Neo AI, not just keywords. You need to describe your style and technical capabilities in detail so the AI understands exactly who you are best for. And never ignore the speed factor. Response time is now a primary ranking metric. Being fast is being visible. Now, let's talk numbers. What are realistic earning expectations for a beginner in 2026? In your first few months, expect to earn between $100 and $500. This is your portfolio building phase. Once established, many sellers reach the $1,500 to $4,000 range, thanks to Fiverr's new subscription gig model. Top-rated and pro sellers often clear $10,000 a month by focusing on high-ticket, long-term enterprise clients. But be careful, many beginners fail because they repeat the same 3 mistakes. The biggest error? Selling services that AI can do in seconds. You have to offer a human-plus value proposition. And never try to take clients off platform. Fiverr's detection is nearly perfect now, and the ban is permanent. So, is it worth it? Yes. Fiverr provides the audience. You just provide the skill. If you master the AI-human balance, the potential is massive. For more practical tips on online business, subscribe to Solvanta Media. Start your journey today. I'll see you in the next one.